Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to check hardware information on Linux graphically using HardInfo. To install HardInfo, go to the HardInfo GitHub releases page, download the corresponding binary for your Linux distribution, and install it with your package manager. Alternatively, you can build and install HardInfo from source in Debian-based distributions by running the following commands. To use HardInfo to check Linux hardware, launch the app. Once the HardInfo app is open, allow the app to scan your hardware. It won't take too long. When the scan is complete, locate the Generate Report button and click on it. A pop-up window will appear on the screen. By default, Computer, Devices, Network, and Benchmarks are selected. Deselect any items you do not wish to include in the report. Then, click on the Generate button. Next, in the pop-up window, use the browser to save the report file to your computer. A notification will appear on the screen when the report is saved. In this notification, HardInfo will ask you to open up the report in your browser. Select Open to view the report. HardInfo can show you the technical specifications of your computer. In the Computer section, you will see a complete readout of your computer's tech specs. From the CPU to the GPU and everything in between. Want more detailed information on devices connected to your Linux PC? Find the Devices section in HardInfo. Are you looking to find out information related to your networking devices? Locate the Network section of the sidebar in HardInfo. Want to test the performance of your Linux PC? Go to the sidebar in HardInfo and locate Benchmarks.